If your iPhone keeps showing profiles or MDM wants to make changes, here's exactly what's going on and how to fix it. This pop-up appears when a configuration profile or MDM policy is trying to modify your device. It can be triggered by apps like VPNs or enterprise tools that require a profile to function. To review what's already installed on your device, head to Settings, then General, then VPN and Device Management. From there you can see all active profiles and remove anything suspicious by tapping it and selecting Remove Management. Now if your device is locked under MDM and you can't remove it through settings, a tool like MagFone iPhone Unlocker can help. It has a dedicated MDM bypass feature that walks you through the removal process step by step. No technical knowledge needed. 3U Tools Skip MDM Lock function allowed users to temporarily bypass restrictions during device setup. However, this feature is only available in older versions, version 2.65 or earlier, on a Windows PC, and exclusively supports iOS 14 or earlier devices. For those with a technical background, you might try using a tool that offers a free 10-day trial. The core idea behind using Fiddler to bypass MDM is to intercept and modify the communication between the MDM server and your device, thereby spoofing its status or bypassing restrictions.